morning, good afternoon, good evening, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello. Sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. All right. I was online, what was it, this past Friday as I record this. Today's date is, why is that on there? Today's date is June 29th. This past Friday, I was online. I was about to send a shoe back that you guys were not going to get to see. And found these. And then I said, I'm going to go on and grab these. So if you guys want to see what shoe did I grab, stay tuned. All right, well, as you know, we are not wasting time. And this is the second video I've done today. So I'm going to go ahead and get onto it. Oh, we have the brown Nike box. Box is still in my hand. Box is still in my hand. We got the brown Nike box with the black Nike Air, with the black Nike logo on the front. What does this box read? Let's find out. Women Air Jordan 1 Zoom Craft and Comfort. Sorry, I said craft. Comfort. Size 9 USA. I am smoking dope. Anyway, size 9 USA. That is the size that I wear. So, you guys want to see which shoe it is? There's the top. Here is what the box looks like on the inside. So, yeah, you guys know that when you get the Comfort, you get this Jordan band across it. I think I've shown this in another video previous. This shows the shoe and all the things about the shoe, like what it's made of and things like that. Down the tab gives you all the information on the shoe, and on the back are the wings in black. So we're gonna throw that over there. Okay, I've only seen this in pictures. And this is the Air Jordan 1 Zoom High Air Comfort Light Mauve. That is the color. Oh. Damn! I said I've only seen pictures. Here's the picture that I saw. Hopefully that will focus in. In the picture to me, I thought it was gray. In the picture to me, I thought it was gray. I thought these were gray. These are mauve these are a purple colorway. OMG. Let me go ahead and take this other shoe out real quick. Dang, those are beautiful. Oh. Yeah, you know these are getting sprayed soon as I finish talking to y'all. I'm not even going to do the fashion portions until I finish talking to y'all. I always do the left shoe because I'm a lefty. We do left shoes on this channel. All right, I'm going to give you guys an up close and personal look. These are the Air Jordan Zoom Comfort Highs in light mauve. I'm going to give you a close up. The what's the colorway on the box? What's the colorway on the box? I didn't even read that part. Venice. I can't read. I am tripping right now. This shoe is dang. This shoe is nice. Let me get y'all, let me get back in close for you all. This shoe is predominantly suede, with the exception of this piece here and the swoosh that is an inlay. So all of these pieces are like a, oh goodness, what's the word I'm looking for? Nylon. These feel like a nylon. The swoosh is an inlay nylon along with the top part and right here on the top of the shoe. Strings are in that mauve color also. The midsole is the sail color and your outsole is in the mauve. The inside, hopefully I can get inside. The sock liner and the sole is all in mauve. Also, I don't know if you can see in there. Oh my gosh. I thought this was a gray. And I remember reading the color the name of the shoe on Hypebeast, and it said Mauve, and I'm like, Mauve? I was thinking that maybe, and Mauve to me is more of a pinky color, but these are these are like a lilac to me, like a lilac purple. Oh my gosh. Gee, oh my, I don't even know what to say. You have the Zoom Air on the tongue right there. You got the wings right there on that side in the sail colorway. Oh man, I'm gonna have to put, I haven't even thought of what outfits I was gonna put with this one because I needed to see these in hand, unlike the off-white, I can't think right now. The off-white Air Forces, I kind of had outfits in mind. I didn't have any outfits in mind for this. Actually, I thought about pulling my gray sweatsuit out, but oh my gosh. Let me get y'all to the fashions. Y'all go see the fashions. Go see the fashions. I need a moment. Y'all go see the fashions. Go see the fashions. All right. Oh, I forgot there's no pockets in these pants. All right. For this look, for the shoe, the light mauve shoes, I went with this wild suit. If you watch wrestling, you'll really think that I'm doing a nod to Seth Rollins. If you know, you know. This suit is from Target, tank top from Target. Also, I paired it with my Kate Spade shoulder bag that you can also crossbody. And for the glasses, I went with my Tom Ford Miranda sunglasses. You can tell I need to get out in the sun a little bit more. But anyway, I want to do something fun with these shoes because these shoes are fun anyway. So I pulled this suit that has purple in it. So I wanted to kind of, you know, do something really fun and funky. Unfortunately, these pants do not have pockets. I'm just happy they still fit because I gained some weight. But anyway, we're not going to talk about that. But anyway, let's get down on the floor. Let's look at the shoes on foot up close so you guys can really see, just really see the shoe a little bit more. Okay, now we're on the floor so you can see the shoe on foot. Let me get a little closer for you. You can see the shoe on foot. This shoe is comfortable. If you do not have any of the Zoom Comfort Jordan 1s, I need you to go out and get them. These shoes, they look great on foot and they are super comfortable when you're just walking around. They have a lot of cushioning in them. You can tell, you see the suede, the imprinted swoosh. Let me turn around to the back so you guys can see the back of the shoe right there. But yeah, these shoes are real comfortable. I recommend these to any and everybody. If you have not, you know, bought any of these shoes, when they come out, when they drop, you need to just grab them. You will not regret getting a pair of these. Okay, and for this look, I wanted to go with all black with a little bit of color. I have a little bit of the purple in the pants to go with the light mauve shoes. I'm styling it with my Phillip Lim medium. I think this is the medium size Pashley bag and my Tory Burch sunglasses. I want to do something, it's kind of dressy, but you know, I dress up feet. Something like that. Nothing real crazy. Also, like if it gets cooler, you can throw a little cardigan on it, like if you're like cool, like doing a little late in the afternoon errand running, or you're gonna hang out, something like that. So I want to do this somewhat casual, a little bit of dressy, you know, nothing real crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna pan down so you guys can get a closer look at the shoe, so you all can see them on foot one more time, and then we're gonna wrap up the video. Here's a close-up of the pants with the shoe. I'm gonna go ahead and lift the pants up a little bit so you can see the shoe. And like I said before in the last part, suit part of the video, in a suit outfit. These shoes are so comfortable. There's cushion all the way through the shoe. So if you want to walk, you can actually do a good amount of walking in a shoe. They're very relaxed. And like I said, I think I said this already earlier. Yes, I would recommend the Comfort Jordans. I kind of would recommend the Comfort Jordans over the regular Jordans, but I like them both. But if you're looking for something a little bit more comfortable, these are the most comfortable ones when you can find, when they have the Comfort Jordans. I know they do them in a Jordan 1. I believe they do it in other Jordan styles also. Let me see, you can get in a little bit more closer so you can see the shoe on the leg. But yeah, these shoes are great. Sorry, I'm sniffling. My allergies are going crazy. But yeah, these shoes are really cool. Love them to death, and they look great with these pants. Okay, I am back. I am completely and utterly speechless because on the pictures they pulled gray, and to get these out, and they said light mauve. And let me give you all, let's get back in close one more time before I let you guys go. The full shoe, 99% of the shoe is full suede. The strings are in the mauve color also. The swoosh and the top part, this is like I said nylon at first. This is, to me, gives me neoprene material vibes. If you kind of look at the top, on all the Comfort ones, they have the open tops right there. The sole is in the mauve, also midsole and sail. Your inside, if I can get in there, let's pull that up. Got that dead stock knot on them. And the inside is also in the sail color. No, it's mauve. I'm tripping. This is in the mauve color. Let me see. Hopefully, yeah, there we go. It's in the mauve color on the inside. The tongue reads Zoom Air right there. The wings in that purple. I gotta spray these down like right now. I need to get the first spray in right now. This video I was actually going to put out later. I'm actually going to put this out sooner because these shoes are still available on the Nike site as I record this. These are, if you guys have any questions about this shoe, like I said, I will put the link to the Nike site below. If you guys like videos like this and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing are easy. I'm sorry, I'm like super speechless. This is the second video I've done today. The first video I recorded was of the off-white Air Force One mids. That just recorded that earlier. This video, man, I was speechless on that. I'm speechless here. I had dinner in between. I got to work out. I got a lot going on. If you guys want to read something, go to my blog, sneakersandhandbags.net. Everything from sneakers, bags, movies, music, anything that's on my mind, I'm talking about it over there. Like I said, if you guys want to talk to me below, please do. And that is it. I'm going to get out of here. I need to pick outfits. I need to pick some bomb outfits for this and get these sprayed. These gotta get sprayed. So I'm going to get out of here and talk to you guys later. Love, peace, hair products, sneakers, handbags, and all that fun stuff. Bye.